Right, guys, welcome. We have this question from JAM 1985, question 6, where we're asked to simplify 1 over 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 divided by 2 minus 1, in turn divided by 4 plus 1 divided by 5. Quickly in solving this, write solution. Solution. Now, in solving this, we start from the listing operation. That is, we start from the bottom. So we start from 4 plus 1 over 5. And in solving this, we make 5 our LCM. Now, we note the fact that 4 carries an imaginary 1 at the bottom. So that 1 divides 5. It gives us 5. 5 times 4 gives us 20. Plus 5 divided by 5 gives us 1. 1 times 1, we have 1. And this is equal to 20 plus 1, we have 21 over 5. Now, what we get from this, the answer we got from this is 21 over 5. We impute it into our fraction and it helps us continue our solving. So write next. Next in Q is 2 minus 1. So at the bottom of 1, we had 21 divided by 5. And this is equal to 2 minus 1 divided by 21 over 5. We convert our division sign to multiplication, so we have 2 minus 1 times 5 goes up, 21 comes down. This in turn is equal to 2. 1 times 5 gives us 5. So we have 2 minus 5 over 21. Now we continue with our solving. We have this to be equal to, we make our LCM in this case 21. Make 21 our LCM. And we have 1. We have 21 divided by 1 gives us 21. 21 times 2, we have 42. Now 21 divided by 21, we have 1. 1 times 5 gives us 5. So 42 minus 5 gives us 37 over 21. Now, what we have here, we impute into our fraction. So we have next, impute this into our fraction in order to continue with our solving. We have 2 plus 1 divided by 37 over 21. Now, this same thing as 2 plus 1 divided by 37 over 21. Take note of the fact that we can convert our division to multiplication. So we have 2 plus 1 times 21 comes up, 37 goes down. All right, this equal to 2 plus 1 times 21, we have 21 over 37. All right, continue with our solving by making 37 our LCM. Make 37 our LCM. All right, now 1 into 37, we have 37. 37 times 2 gives us 74. 74 plus 37 to 37, we have 1. 1 times 21, we have 21. All right, 74 plus 21, we have 95 divided by 37. Now we continue by imputing this fraction into our overall fraction, and finally this brings us to 1 over 2 plus 1 divided by 95 over 37. This is equal to 1 over 2 plus 1 divided by 95 over 37. Now, in solving this, we convert our division to multiplication. So we have 1 over 2 plus 1. Division becomes multiplication. We have times 37 goes up and 95 comes down. So this is equal to 1 over 2 plus 1 times 37. We have 37 divided by 95. All right, we get our LCM in solving this. The LCM of 2 and 95 is 190. 190. So 190 divided by 2, we have 95. 95 times 1, we have 95 plus 190 divided by 95, we have 2. 2 times 37 gives us 74. This in turn is equal to 95 plus 74. We have 169 and LCM 190. So our answer to this is 169 divided by 190. Thank you.